On my YouTube family, everyone, thank you so much for always supporting the channel, liking the videos, tuning into every single video that I make. It means a lot to me. It supports the channel so much. It helps us grow every single day. Our patrons now are 11. We have 9 spots available, which is incredible. That's just a short space of time. I think it's just over a week and a half. And we actually only got 9 spots available for the cheaper option, which is a lifetime cheap option. Like, it's a sale option. Like, it's not cheap. Like, that's a sale option. After that, it's going to literally be over double. So if you want to snag those spots up and get everything available, like, look at this, guys. This is yesterday. Look at all the yesterday's trades that we had. We plotted all this. I said, look where we're going to go with Solana. And look, if I actually go to Solana for you guys, like, look at this. This is a Solana USD. Okay, that didn't work. Solana. We had massive trades. Look, that was even a thumbnail yesterday. Like, I even used it as a thumbnail yesterday. And you can see, like, we smashed straight through it. Smashed straight through it. Like, what the heck? So, brilliant things. And even here, down here, like, you can see here, this was yesterday, sorry. And we smashed straight down towards it. And even LITECOIN, like, it's brilliant, guys. Like, you guys learn everything that you can see, like, straight into profit. And by the way, patrons, like, if you look, I know my patrons are watching this. I'm actually looking for another trade around this level, okay? So, we will be entering another trade today to go to the downside. Just telling you guys that, so just bear that in mind. And yeah, let's get straight into it. But first of all, a massive thank you to all of you again, because I really appreciate every single one of you viewers. A big thank you to the regulars who are commenting. Had so many comments with yesterday's video, I couldn't actually put them all on the screen. But literally, I promise you guys, whoever comments, I'll actually make a new screen and I'll write all of you guys here. So comment on this video and I'll write you guys here. If you get 50 likes, one of you will get $50. Okay? If you get 25 likes, literally, guys, that'll just make my day. So thank you so much if you're trying to get 25 likes. But yeah, you can see here, we're on the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, and we're at 25. What does this mean for us? Well, it's actually quite crucial that we understand what this actually means. So if we're at 25, you can see here, if we go to max, typically when we're around the 10 to 15 level, we do see a bounce. Okay, literally about, if we go to a month, the last time we were down here, we were literally at a really, really low price for Bitcoin. We were about the 33k range, and legit, I was thinking, okay, I'm going to buy here. And I told you guys all to buy and start accumulating. And after that, we started actually seeing a big rampage. And by the way, this was at the price where we actually are. If I go to the daily, it'll show you. We were down here. Okay, we're down here. So legit, like, it does work. If you bought down here, we would be in profit. And you still would be in profit, okay? But you guys aren't here for that. You guys are here to see what's actually happening with our, literally our charts. So let me show you. Well, this is the left shoulder, and that was supposed to be the right shoulder there. And as you can see, like, technically this would still be a right shoulder if we do come back. So you can't call that out right now until we breach the head. I'm thinking if we get below $100, then obviously I'm going to basically cancel out that head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. Okay, I think that's basically that's like able for us to actually do that. If we go to the hourly. I know usually I go to the 4 hourly. You can see that we are looking at a potential another drop. Okay, and I'll draw that for you right here. You can see that we kind of are issuing for another drop. At the moment I'm drawing it like that, but typically it can be drawn very easily as this. So we are very close to the apex as of right now. If we draw like this, we can actually go a little bit higher. I think we could see a little bit higher. I think we could see a nice candle test to the upside right up here. Then we can actually get a nice stop loss in where we currently have as well, and then see a nice drop to the downside. That's what I'm currently looking out for. That's what makes sense for the charts. That's a nice easy trade for us to actually follow the direction of the chart. So what that means is like, look, the chart's coming down, up, down, and so we're waiting for another up to come down. We're not actually like waiting for up. We're not actually waiting for a lot of pressure to come outside from the market back in for us to actually get our trade going. Okay, so we're going with the flow of the market, if that makes sense. So it's so much easier for the market to fall down right now than it is to actually pump back up. That's basically what I'm trying to say to you guys. So yeah, if we go to the 4 hourly, you can kind of see a lot more. And what I mean by this is, like, look, if you zoom out, literally zoom out, guys, what can you see? If I leave it like this and I get rid of some of the like squiggles and stuff, what can you actually see? Well, I can show you what I can see. So I can see a massive double top, which we actually can see right here. That broke out when everyone called me an idiot, and it broke out. And we can see we came back up, retested the neckline of that double top, which is also our falling resistance. Okay, wait here, guys. Look here. I'll change the color of my draw tool for you. Okay, what color would be nice? maybe a blue, probably a blue. Okay, so let's make it a nice blue. So there we go. So that double top, okay, broke out, and you can see we came down, came back up, retested that double top neckline right here. You can see, and also don't forget we're testing this downward channel. Okay. And so that was double confidence, which I said in the videos. That's what I'm saying, guys. Make sure you're subscribing to these channels to get these videos. Watch them all. You learn. You're literally going to learn as you're trading. Like, oh my god, my mate Cherry Bits, who's in the Patreon, he's learning already. Like he's doing good with his trades. Like it makes me proud, man. But like, everyone's learning in there, so I like it. But yeah, double bottom here, and we broke. Potentially looking for a retest, which we already did. You can see here. Well, let me zoom in for you guys. We got this retest already, so don't think we're going to come up. And now we already got this retest. You can see here we got a retest, and we got a retest, and we got a rejection. So double rejection to the upside. Started falling, coming back up to test these zones, and was going to start falling. I told you guys this. I said this, guys. I said to you guys ages ago. I said when we broke out right here, literally on the 10th of February. I said, guys, the breakout target is 106, and nobody was listening to me. No one was caring. We came down, came back up, came down, and we came back up here. Everyone literally definitely wasn't listening to me. They was like, oh, this kid's wrong. Came back down. People were like, does this kid know something? Came back up. I said we're entering a short. Came back down, and then now we're here. So what's going to happen? I think we're going to come down, test this zone, but we could get stuck at the $111 range. Why am I saying that? Well, let's show you. If we draw a nice horizontal line, if we draw a nice horizontal line in the area of where our strongest current support is looking like, okay, let's just do it like this. You can see there's a lot of support going on right next to here. Support, 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 support. So if we do break that support, our next support is 106. That is very strong support, as you can see. That would be a very nice buying opportunity for you guys who are looking to enter into Litecoin. Okay, I'll tell you that right now. But for, lastly, I want to show you guys something on the weekly time frame, which is crucial you guys are aware of, considering we're going to close the candle literally tomorrow. It is Saturday, isn't it? Okay, it's Saturday in the UK. I'm so lost. I mean, I've been working so hard, like to get all the content out for you guys. I think yesterday I did 4 videos. Oh, it's mental, but it's worth it for all of you. And you can see here. So let me go to a nice clearer chart for you guys. Where's when I use Kraken? Yes, you can see here. If we close this, it will actually show to us that more downside is to come in the weeks to come, because we've got a nice candle rejection, and after this candle rejection, we have a nice down test, so we're coming downwards. Okay, so that will show to us that we're looking to potentially test these lower lows. Okay, and maybe even to come down even lower. Okay, we don't want that to happen, or I do. I want that to happen personally, because I can get more trades going. I can accumulate more Litecoin. I know for a fact that if we accumulate Litecoin when like people are fearful of Litecoin, we will be very, very rich. Okay, by the end of the year, we will be very, very rich. Okay, I'm telling you guys that right now. Okay, you can see here, like this is my go-to pattern right now. I can currently see that we're coming up, we're coming back down, we're coming up, coming back down, and we pump. Okay, it might not be the biggest pump, but okay, a mini pump. Came back down, came back up, came down, pump. It's kind of a pattern. Okay, we come down to all our lows, but look how low this came. We came to literally our very, very peak of a low. So I think that if we copy this pattern right here, we would actually come down to about either the $40 range or definitely the $65 range. That's what I'm thinking right now. Okay, and I'm thinking more maybe the $80 to $60 range. This range right here is where heavy accumulation for me is going to start taking place, because I know from there, as a fact, buying down here is literally like getting in at a fire sale. Okay, especially if we were at $400 earlier in the year, we can easily get literally at 8 to 9x from here. Okay, and that's what I'm waiting for. But yeah, if you did enjoy the video, guys, smash the like button. It means a lot to me. Can we please try and get 25 likes? Okay, thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.